The all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra may be born from a rich history of global trucks and SUV, but the third generation of its namesake is ready to make a big impression on the North American full-size truck segment as it debuts at dealerships later this year. Rooted in quality, durability, and reliability, like the lineage before it, Tundra looks to build on its success in the full-size truck segment. Like the prior generation Toyota Tundra, the new Tundra will be assembled at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Texas, TMMTX, in San Antonio. But years before it hit the production line, U.S. designers and engineers were hard at work on Toyota's next full-size Tundra pickup. Our design goal was recreation and an outdoor lifestyle are at the core of Toyota truck identity. We set out to create a muscular, chiseled, and athletic design that also looks like it could handle the toughest towing demands. Calty's design teams crafted an exterior and interior balance of angular lines and muscular refinement. The interior was meant to retain that technical muscle motif. Calty chose a horizontal layout theme as a departure from the vertical layout on most other trucks in the market. Available 14-inch touchscreen highlights all-new audio multimedia system. This complemented the design goal to integrate the instrument panel and center stack to flow with the interior layout. Available 14-inch touchscreen highlights all-new audio multimedia system. The truck bed is lightweight and extremely strong thanks to the new sheet-molded compound construction and the use of reinforcing aluminum crossmembers in the bed. The new SMC bed offers added protection against dents, impact dings, and rust compared to traditional steel decks. The all-new Tundra will offer two impressive new powertrains, a twin-turbo V6 engine and a hybrid twin-turbo V6. Standard I-Force 3.5L twin-turbo V6 produces up to 389 HP, 479 lb-ft. Available I-Force MAX powertrain produces 437 HP, 583 lb-ft. The maximum towing capacity offers impressive performance benefits based on huge numbers alone, but that 12,000-pound max tow rating is also paired with a host of new towing features designed to make trailering a less daunting task.